Hey, what is up, everybody? Michael back here again, and I just picked up Silent Hill 2 for the PlayStation 5. So check it out. There is the cover, and it looks pretty awesome. So yep, a game by Konami. So let's take a look at the spine here, and we've got Silent Hill 2. And then on the back of it, let's see what this thing says. It says, "In your restless dreams, do you see that town? Return to Silent Hill 2." So there is the description of it, and it looks like there's a couple of pretty neat kind of screenshots in here. This is definitely a game that I've been wanting to kind of check out for some time. So there is all of that information just in case you want to read it. So this one is a sealed copy. And so let's go ahead and we will unbox it and we will see what is exactly in here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a quick incision there. And let's take off the amazing wrap. So let's go here. And there it is. Silent Hill 2. Konami. Okay, so let's see what we get in here. Okay, so it does not come with any paperwork whatsoever. And there is the disc, and the disc just has right there on it, it has Silent Hill 2, and there is Konami, and yeah, it's definitely a pretty fun game, where I think this is going to be a really fun game to play. So anyway, that is the disc, and that is kind of opening it up. Really wasn't a lot there inside of it, but we'll have to play the game and see how well that it is. Anyway, there we go. Unboxing Silent Hill 2 for the PlayStation 5.